Welcome back to another episode of Shade TV. My name is Marissa Hill, and today we are going to be taking a look at Aime Leon Dore's collab with New Balance, this time on the 993 in the brown colorway. This released in two colorway options, also in a taupe version, but today we're going to be taking a look at the brown. Let's take a quick sneak peek. Welcome back to another unboxing and review of the channel. Welcome. Be sure to hit that subscribe right now. Give this video a thumbs up. If you have any comments or questions, feel free to leave those down below. Hit that notification bell because we do have a ton of heat coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button for our amazing membership perks as well as our amazing merch store. As mentioned earlier, Aime Leon Dore is back again with yet another collab with New Balance. Teddy Santos just seems to be killing it with all of his New Balance collabs, this time on the 993 in the brown colorway. So we're going to go through the overview on this shoe, then talk about size and fit on these, followed by how I styled this really earthy colorway. I'm feeling this for the fall though, in the winter time. Then we'll conclude with how these are doing on the resale market. So let's jump right into it. We've got such a dark, rich colorway. I don't know why. This reminds me of just being in a forest with hot chocolate. That is the vibes that I'm getting here. But I already, from the touch of this, can feel how high quality this is. I cannot stress enough how high quality the materials are that New Balance uses on their shoes. And this is definitely in line with high quality materials. I can already feel the brown suede on the front of this toe box. It's very rich and luxurious. It's definitely giving me those cocoa vibes. We've got some nice chocolatey mesh as well as we work our way onto the upper, and then some nice just evergreen dark green tones that really pop quite nicely off of that brown. As we work our way up, we have black laces and then some more black accents here for the New Balance Made in USA. As you know, Made in USA and Made in UK are by far some of the highest quality sneakers that I've ever owned, and definitely feel like this is in line with all the other Made in USA shoes that I have. This is the 993 version. As you can see, that has that on the top of the tongue there. Again, more of this evergreen colorway underneath the black accents. And then we've just got some nice brown chocolatey suede for the eyelets. Let's look at those details and then move on to the side panels. All right, so working our way to the side panels, we've got underlays of that rich chocolate brown on the meshing, and then we've got this nice accented evergreen New Balance coloring scheme for the N, and that's outlined in black on top of that nice high quality brown suede that works its way to the back of the heel. This is where we're seeing the Aime Leon Dore branding in black. It's subtle, but it's quite nice. I like how it kind of gives it this nice luxurious feel, the way that they've kind of embroidered that on the back there. Then we have the 993 on the heel. Working our way up, we've got more accents of that evergreen, and then on the inside we have Aime Leon Dore's logo on a nice just simplistic black insole, and the same on the other insole. Working our way to the midsole, we've got all black and then hits of this evergreen on the back of that heel to top it off on the back of that midsole portion. Then we have the Absorb DTS printed on the side there, and it's finished off with a simple black outsole. The box actually is giving me very high-end designer feels as well. We've got Aime Leon Dore on the front and this nice evergreen colorway, but this is definitely just a nice high quality feel that they've given a nice touch to on this box and packaging. All right, let's look at those details and move on to sizing. All right, so as far as 993 goes, I would definitely say stick true to size. So I'm a 7.5 in men's. I do have high arch narrow feet, so depending on what type of foot you have, if it's on the flatter, wider side, you may have a differing size that works best for you, but on this one, I would say stick true to size. All right, now let's jump into styling. So this is a really just nice earthy colorway. I honestly only have another pair of New Balances that is remotely close to this color scheme, and that was actually my Stray Rat collab, and it's kind of got some brown and purple hues to it. But this is different, and it's got my green that I love so much on it. So definitely interested to see your thoughts on how I styled this. I really wanted to bring some chocolatey browns into the mix just because there's so much brown on the shoe. And so for the first look, I wore this corduroy button-down shirt that had a matching set of pants, and then I layered that with a corduroy brown coat. I think giving this an all brown look just really gives this monochromatic vibe, which I really loved so much on how it kind of highlighted the shoe, because the green really just was like the turning point in that first look. Look, I wore some more brown, but not all brown this time. I decided to wear this teddy furry coat. It's getting into the winter time, so I'm excited to be wearing just really cuddly looking apparel. So I paired that with an evergreen shirt underneath to kind of match the green accents with this, and some nice just beige trouser pants. The last and final look, I wanted to do an all green look this time, just to kind of pull from the accents of the green of the shoe. This time I wore some green wide leg trousers, and then I wore a green suede short shirt to match. let me know, out of those 3 outfits, what was your favorite out of the 3, or how would you style these shoes? For $200, and they are currently going between $240 to $400. Aime Leon Dore collabs tend to do very well in the resale market. I will say that New Balance is just doing such an impeccable job with the collabs that they've done, and it seems to be quite a trend right now. All of the collabs that Teddy Santos has been just cracking down on with his brand Aime Leon Dore. So definitely happy to add this to the collection, and I love the color options. Can't wait to see what the taupe version looks like in hand. Those haven't been sent out. Knocking on wood that we'll get those soon and out there on the YouTube space. But until then, that's it for this unboxing and review. If you're new here, thanks for joining us. Hit that subscribe if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up. Leave me any comments or questions down below. Hit that notification bell. We have so much content coming out that I don't want you to miss out on. Also, be sure to check out that join button as well as our merch store. This is ShadeTV. My name is Marissa. We will catch you all in the next video.